In this video, we are going to see how we can automate your task. Like we can say how we can create a daily task reminder. Okay, like you can see here, I have created a data task 1, task 2, 3, and assign who, like John Smith, Emily Johnson, and Michael Bo. So I want to, let me bold this one first so you can understand. Yeah, and due to date. Okay, so from which date we want to complete this data, we can when we want to complete the task. So this is the due date. Okay, so we are going to send them a reminder for a daily task. Okay, so this is your task, and how we can send them using a automation, like using our micros code. So go to your developer tab using alt 11 F11 also, and go to Visual Basics and open your this code. Okay, it means you can open your module task. Here are the all sheets displayed whichever you have opened, and you can see the task here, and right click on and insert a new module for your code. So this is code for your daily task reminder. Okay, so this code to send email, or if you want notifications to assign here. Okay, so who have assigning means for who we are going to you want to send them. Okay, so like sending the mail or a notification to assignee. Okay, and the replace with the that all the whichever names are there. Okay, so we are automatically send them a mail. Okay, whoever have name John. Okay, so send them reminder for your daily task. Okay, so this is the code you can see. So first line is sub daily task reminder. Okay, so this substitute is means sub. Okay, so this is name of your, this is the name of your daily task reminder of your code. Okay, then substitutes are block of your code. Okay, that perform like a specific task. So this is the block of code, it means substitute. Okay, now that perform like specific task. Then ws, what is that? This ws is the variable, is declare the variable. Okay, so that a worksheet object, and we use the set for keyword to assign the worksheet named as a task. Okay, so we are going to set our worksheet as our task with the name. Okay, so this I hope you understand how this is working. Now we have this dim last row as a long. So we declare a variable last row, okay, as long. The purpose of the code, like to find the last row with the data in column A. Okay, whatever the column A, you can see the task 1, task 2. So the task for column A, we want to see the up to the last, okay, task worksheet. Okay, and then the ws dot row dot count. Okay, you can see this one. So this gives us the total number of row in the worksheet, and this one, where is the what, that rows and sales one? Yeah, this. Okay, so this sales row at A, it means that represent a cell in the last row of your count A. Okay, so that is represent the last code of your column A. Then end and xlf, this one. Okay, this one, this method moves up from the last row until it finds the first non-empty cells. Okay, so this is our, because if there are empty rows, we can finding that also. Okay, so rows like gives the row number of cells, and this is the last row, we can store the row number of the last non-empty cells in a A. Okay, now we have a dim today date as a date, because we are assigning again date. Okay, so today days as a date. You can see here, like this part we are variable today date of a type date and assign. Okay, it is like a current date. Okay, this date is means current date using the date function. Okay, so it is used to compare with the date which column we have date, like that one ABC, it means C column. Okay, so that C column due to date column. Okay, so that we are comparing. Okay, now again we have dim I as a long. So it means like a variable I is declared as long and is used to loop counter. Okay, so this is for your counting our loop. Okay, the loop will be iterate from where row 2 to the last row. Okay, so that's where our loop is iterate up to the I to 2 last row. Okay, so this is our 2 to last row. Okay, you can see this is the simple wording. Then which is the last row of data is the task worksheet, means like whoever we have last date of your data, that is the last row. Okay, now we have like up to the now if cells. Okay, now like if statements is if the value in a cell like I, you can see I is equal like to C of the task worksheet. Okay, so is equal to today's date, means is there C value, C column value is equal to today's date, then if then perform dim assign as a string. Okay, so that is assigning our, means our due to date column is C match the current date. We store the value in the column A, and B assign is that column we already saw of that row into two variable task and assigning. Okay, that respectively. Okay, so that will use to construct the reminder message. Okay, that is because here we are constructing that message. Okay, we can see the reminding message as a string. Message reminder equals to reminder what we want to tell them task. This is for C task and is due to date. Okay, this I want from here to today due to this mail. So this will be sent to your who have that mail ID that way. Okay, so I hope you can copy that code, and as per your range and your name of your sheet you can change it here. Okay, so that's it about how we can send a daily reminder using a Visual Basics code.